Hello दोस्तों. Today I'm gonna share the update of my aquarium after the CO2 disaster. My DIY CO2 system overflowed and all the yeast, sugar and agar mix of water overflowed into my tank. And I'll tell you, it was a disaster. Everything started stinking, and to make everything worse, most of my fishes died. I had to change water some 3-4 times and it was still stinking. And see these filters, they're so dirty. The cleaning was not the problem, but I had a beautiful tank and everything was destroyed because of a small mistake. I'll soon update you on the mistakes that you should avoid while doing a DIY setup. And finally, the tank is ready and I'm gonna get some fishes. Wow. But this time, I decided not to buy it from an aquarium shop and collect some native fishes from a nearby pond. For many reasons, these native fishes are always undervalued. Can you see these small fishes? They are the ones I am aiming for. I think it's gonna be super difficult. But there were so many, it was super easy to catch a few. And now it was time to introduce them to my aquarium. At home, I gave time for the fishes to get adjusted to my aquarium water temperature and parameters. Finally, it's time for me to add the fishes into my tank. I hope the fishes are gonna be happy in their new environment. Wow! They didn't take much time to jump into the water and start swimming. It was so mesmerizing to see all of them swimming together. They're not as beautiful as the ones that you get in the aquarium shops, but they display a good personality. What do you think about these fishes? Please do let me know in the comments. I'm so excited to see how they're gonna turn up in next 2 days. I was thinking of adding a better fish into the gang. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Also, do subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. See you soon.